In this video, we'll show you how to manage all your online orders directly from your tills using the Deliverect integration. Deliverect connects your business to a wide range of online ordering channels, automatically receiving orders and sending them straight to your till system, so you can manage everything in one place without juggling multiple printers, tablets, or apps. If you haven't yet set up the integration, please watch our separate video on how to connect Deliverect to your till system, how online orders appear on your tills. When an order comes in from Just Eat, Uber Eats, Deliveroo, or another connected channel, Deliverect sends it to your tills as a suspended transaction. Orders can be managed by any user on both desktop and handheld tills. Your tills check for new orders automatically every 2 minutes. If nobody is signed in, a bell icon appears in the top bar of the login screen. Tapping it will display an alert that there are new online orders to review. If you are signed in and on the register screen, the Suspended Transactions folder icon will display a red bell to indicate there are orders waiting. Viewing and managing online orders. Tap the Suspended Transactions folder icon to see all pending orders. Deliverect orders appear alongside your other suspended transactions but are highlighted in green for easy identification. You can also manually check for new orders here by swiping down on the list. Order actions. Tap View on an order to see its details. From here, you have 4 options. Tapping Close leaves the order pending for someone else to manage. Tapping View Note displays additional details such as order type, customer name, contact information, and which channel the order came from. Tapping Reject declines the order. This sends the rejection back to Deliverect, which updates the original channel and notifies the customer. Tapping Accept approves the order and resumes the transaction. Your system will then process it as if it were placed in person, printing order receipts or sending items to the kitchen display system as configured. Handling payment. For prepaid online orders, you'll be taken to the Transactions Summary screen where you can print a customer receipt if needed. For unpaid orders, e.g. cash on collection, accepting the order will change its color to purple, indicating it's accepted but payment is still due. You can resume it later when the customer arrives and record their payment method. And that's it! You now know how to manage your online orders through your tills with Deliverect. For help setting up the integration, please watch our other video. You can also find more details in your user manual. If you have any questions, please contact your support provider. Their details are available in the Register menu and the web portal.